Hello everyone, welcome to Crafteria. Today's video is all about spacing between dots and walking the dots. I will share all the tips and tricks in this video, so keep watching till the end. Consider subscribing if you are new here. I have taken this black thick cardstock for practicing. So we will start with marking the line with white chalk pencil. I am marking a plus sign here so that it becomes easy to put dots. I am putting a big dot on the center of this plus sign. You can see I am loading the tool with lots of paint and touching the surface softly. If you touch the surface hardly, you will get the wrinkles on the dots. For the perfect pearl-like shape, just touch the surface very gently and bring it back. Now for the perfect spacing, I put 4 dots on opposite directions like this. You can call it east, west, north, south also. I have used a bigger sized tool here. That is why you get space for only one dot in the middle. Now in the second one here, I am using a toothpick. After putting 4 dots in the opposites, you get the space of 2 more dots in the middle. And you can fill that very easily. In this third one, I am using a thin nail stylus tool. After putting the 4 dots in the opposite directions, we get to put 1 dot in the middle of the space. Then we can fill 1 dot each in the remaining space too. As you keep practicing, you will get the hang of it and you can decide how many dots you need in that space. So here in that space, if you want you can leave also, and if you want you can fill it with 1 dot. Now we will practice walking the dots. First I am putting a bigger dot in the middle and then we will walk the dots around it. First we will practice with a bigger size stylus. So just load the stylus with lots of paint and walk the dots around slowly. Next I am taking a smaller size stylus and walking the dots properly. So here there is no technique, you just have to practice doing it. Just one tip, when you think there is very less paint in your stylus, just rotate it around and you will get this little bit paint from behind the stylus. So here I am going to practice with 2 rows of the dots. First stylus size should be little bit smaller and then next size should be little bit bigger. In this row, instead of pointy petals, I am going to make flat petals. Now let's practice all the dots on this card. You can just use different sizes of tools and can make beautiful patterns. I want to emphasize on one thing. Don't compare your work with anyone else's work. Just see your work that you did yesterday and compare it to your today's work. You will be amazed and proud by the difference you see. Just enjoy the process of making a artwork and feel good. I will tell you a secret that I am not a perfectionist or a very great artist. I am just an average hard-working person, but I always complete my work. And I am always ready to help. If you have any question for me, I will always try to answer in my capabilities. If you want me to make a video on any topic related to dot painting, just let me know in the comments. Or you can connect with me on Instagram. My ID is there on the screen and in the description. And with this beautiful piece is ready. We can use it as a gift tag.